What's up guys, Dr. Pod here again, making another video on some of my PC parts. So this here is the monitor. It's the Asus, I can't even think of it. Yeah, pb287q 4K monitor. I actually got two of these. There's one over there, but I'm just going to unbox one just because it's, same monitor, two different cases, or boxes I should say. It's a 28-inch 4K 1ms refresh rate. Now it's not an IPS panel, it's just a TN panel. But for gaming, IPS, as far as I can see, is just better for photo editing, things like that, because it's better color contrast and stuff. For gaming, TN seems fine. But yeah, it's 4K panel. Let's see what we have in here. So it's stand, which is nice and heavy. I like to see that. We have our user manual. I don't know, some plastic. It's probably for cable management. A HDMI, which are loads of. Don't need that. Display port cable. Audio cable and a quick setup manual. Power, which again has that little thing I'll need an adapter for. The thing is with this, we're not going to see much of it because it's going to be powered off, right? It's yeah, that's all there is to say. But I will set it up because I want to test if it has any dead pixels, so I might be able to do that in a different video, maybe. Or I might just test it myself. I'm not too sure. So, let me see. Now, I hate taking monitors, TVs, anything like that out of the box. It's always so scary that it's going to crack. So, there we go. I don't know why I always have that here. I used to. Alright, so just for size comparison so you can see how big the screen is going to be. Like I said, I have two of these, so let's hope I get a desk big enough to fit both of them. Oh, that's nice. So, here we go. That's one on its own. I'm going to have two of these bad boys side by side for gaming and other use. Shit, I didn't think they were this big. Hey, I don't mind though. It's let me see. I wonder if I can get the base on real quick for you guys, just so. How does this go on? Yeah, I can probably get a screwdriver. Let's stay here. Here we go, box of tricks. Let's get this set up. Just so you guys can see. Now the actual, let's turn it around so you can have a look. So this actual arm on the back can go, like you can see, up normal sway, so your monitor is like that. Or it actually can swivel so your monitor can stand like so. So if you have any need for that, it's pretty dope. Now let me see. Alright. I don't want to scratch the screen, so I'm actually gonna just put this back on. Just because I want to lie it down flat while I put this leg on. Alright. So bear with me guys. Let me see. And you're all probably thinking, oh, why didn't you just edit this out? Because I suck at making videos and I don't have any editing software. So that is why I'm doing all this shit live with no edits and look like a complete other noob. But hey, it's the internet, I don't give a shit. There we go. A lot better. Okay. That seems nice and secure. So let's. Yeah, there we go. Looks nice. Awesome. So there we go. That is the monitor. Yeah, I'm gonna have two of these on the desk, and I don't think it's gonna fit. So I need to get a new desk. But yeah. So that's kind of annoying. Let's do it like that. No, it doesn't go up. So as you can see here, you actually have to tilt it, turn it, and then back to straight if you want it. Because if you try, it hits the base. Now I don't know if this goes. No, it goes down. But that's the highest it goes. So yeah, you want to turn it, you actually have to tilt it out, turn it, and then back in, and adjust your angle, I suppose it's called. Yeah, angle. Alright, so that's that. That's the Asus pb287q 4K monitor. Like I said, I have two of them. I'm only going to go box one because it's kind of stupid to unbox two. It's the same thing. And next I'm going to do my case. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Leave me feedback in the comments if there's anything about the parts you want to tell me, if there's maybe something I said or did wrong, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed it.